Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're tackling a common server issue, Event ID 4013. This event pops up in your DNS server logs. It means your DNS server is waiting for Active Directory domain services. This delay can cause problems. Let's understand why this happens and how to fix it. First, let's define the problem. Event ID 4013 indicates that the DNS server role has started. However, it cannot load Active Directory integrated zones. This happens because the DNS server depends on Active Directory. It needs Active Directory to be fully operational. Common causes include network connectivity issues. The DNS server might not be able to reach the domain controllers. Another cause is Active Directory replication problems. DNS zones replicate through Active Directory. If replication is broken, the DNS server cannot access zone data. A third cause could be slow domain controller startup. If a domain controller is taking a long time to boot, the DNS server might time out waiting. Now, let's look at some solutions. One solution is to check network connectivity. Verify that the DNS server can ping the domain controllers. Ensure there are no firewall rules blocking communication. Use tools like Ping and Tracer to test connectivity. Another solution is to verify Active Directory replication. Use the repadmin/showrepl command on a domain controller. This command shows replication status. Look for any errors or failures. Fix any replication problems you find. A third solution is to configure the sync from flags registry setting. This setting controls how DNS waits for Active Directory. Change the sync from flags value to allow DNS to start before Active Directory is fully available. Be cautious when modifying the registry. Incorrect changes can cause server instability. Also, check the DNS server service dependencies. Make sure that the Active Directory domain services service is set as a dependency for the DNS server service. This ensures that Active Directory starts before DNS. Finally, consider increasing the timeout value for DNS to wait for Active Directory. This can be done through the registry, but exercise caution. Remember to restart the DNS server service after making any changes. This will apply the changes. Regularly monitor your event logs for Event ID 4013. This will help you identify problems early. Addressing these issues quickly prevents service disruptions. We've covered the causes of Event ID 4013. We've also discussed troubleshooting steps. Now you're better equipped to handle this issue. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this information useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more content. Your support helps us create more helpful tutorials. We appreciate you.